Let's be honest, you've got a closet bursting at the seams, a wardrobe overflowing with possibilities. But despite the sheer volume of clothes, nothing ever feels quite right. You stand there, staring, feeling like you have absolutely nothing to wear. The frustration is real. The basics are there: jeans, a crisp white tee, a versatile little black dress, the building blocks of a functional wardrobe. But something is missing, isn't it? You can feel it. Magic, that special something that elevates your look. That magic is accessories. The secret weapon, the unsung hero that transforms your look from ordinary to extraordinary and tells your story without you even uttering a word. Clothes are your canvas, the foundation upon which you build your personal style. Accessories are the bold, vibrant brushstrokes that bring it to life, adding depth, personality, and flair. A silk scarf, effortlessly draped, can make a simple sweater feel instantly Parisian chic. A chunky, eye-catching necklace turns a classic button-down into a power move, commanding attention and exuding confidence. Accessories are your voice in a world saturated with fleeting trends. They whisper elegance, shout confidence, and wink with playful charm. They allow you to express yourself authentically. The same little black dress, a chameleon of your wardrobe, can look effortlessly office-ready with the right accessories, transform into date-night glam with a few sparkling additions, or become brunch casual with a more relaxed and playful approach, just by strategically swapping jewelry, bags, and shoes. The possibilities are truly endless. It's not just about saving money or maximizing space in your closet. It's about unleashing your creativity and embracing the power of self-expression. You are in complete control of your image, and accessories are your most valuable tools in achieving that vision. They should never be treated as an afterthought. They're your personal signature, the defining element that sets you apart. Forget those outdated fashion rules. Accessories are the crucial finishing touch that confidently says, "This is me, and I own it." Stop treating them as the last thing you grab as you're running out the door. Start seeing them as the key, the secret code, to unlocking your ultimate style potential. Today, we'll show you exactly how to transform your accessory drawer into your very own style superpower. So, get ready to make the biggest, most impactful statement with the smallest, most carefully chosen details. In 2025, accessories are no longer just supporting actors playing a minor role. They're stepping into the spotlight, ready to take center stage and command attention. They're the stars, the main event, the defining element of any ensemble. Forget blending in. This year is all about standing out. Why now? What's driving this accessory revolution? Because individuality rules and self-expression is the ultimate trend. People are no longer content to follow the crowd. They want to showcase their unique personalities. And social media has made everyone their own stylist, curator, and influencer. We're all creating our own personal brands, and accessories are the perfect tools to do it. Accessories are the hashtags of your outfit, the visual cues that communicate your style story, instantly signaling your vibe, your mood, your entire aesthetic to the world. They're a shortcut to self-expression. The market is booming, fueled by this desire for personalization and unique style. As we crave personal touches, bespoke designs, and items that truly reflect who we are, and invest in timeless basics, building a foundation of quality pieces that can be styled in countless ways. Want to keep your wardrobe fresh and exciting without breaking the bank? Add a sculptural bag, a statement piece that doubles as art, or futuristic sunglasses, instantly injecting a dose of modern cool into any outfit. It's a smart, sustainable way to stay on trend, embracing new styles without contributing to fast fashion waste. Without constant shopping, you can curate a collection of accessories that elevate your existing wardrobe. Jewelry is now wearable art, miniature sculptures that adorn the body, and handbags are conversation starters, unique pieces that spark curiosity and admiration. Even belts are statement makers, no longer just functional but fashionable, reshaping silhouettes and attitudes, adding a touch of edge or elegance to any look. In 2025, accessories often are the outfit, the focal point that everything else revolves around. They carry the narrative, telling a story about who you are and what you stand for. You don't need a runway budget to participate in this trend. Creativity is key. A few bold pieces can elevate any look, transforming even the simplest outfit into something extraordinary. This year, details matter more than ever. It's all about the finishing touches. True style isn't just about what you wear, it's about the intention and personality you bring to it. But how you wear it, how you express yourself, and how you use accessories to tell your unique story. Welcome to the year of the accessory, where self-expression reigns supreme. Statement jewelry in 2025 is bold, sculptural, and impossible to ignore. Liquid metal shapes in gold and silver look poured onto your skin. Think cuffs, dripping earrings, and fluid chokers. Brooches are back, but forget stuffy pins. Today's versions are cool, clever, and worn anywhere. Pin them on jackets, dresses, or even bags for instant personality. Ring stacks are all about mixing chunky domes with slim bands and signets. Mix your metals for a modern vibe. The secret? Balance. Let one piece be the star and keep the rest simple. Statement jewelry is your outfit's exclamation point. Don't be afraid to go bold, just keep it intentional. Create a focal point, not a jumble. Let your jewelry do the talking. Handbags in 2025 are split between ultra-practical and wildly artistic. The everything tote is structured, stylish, and fits your whole life. No compromise on chic. On the flip side, sculptural mini bags are wearable art. Think geometric shapes and unexpected materials. These minis aren't about storage, they're about making a statement. Texture is huge woven raffia, slouchy suede, and glossy patent finishes add depth. Choose your bag based on your lifestyle. Minimalist or maximalist, there's a perfect match. Most of us need both, a tote for work, a mini for play. Don't just match your bag, let it contrast and elevate your look. A sharp bag with a soft dress or a slouchy hobo with a tailored suit creates style magic. Your handbag isn't just practical, it's a core part of your outfit. Let it speak for you. That's where true style happens. Sunglasses in 2025 are all about futuristic flair. Think shield-like, wraparound frames for maximum attitude. Classic aviators are timeless, but bold. Sci-fi shapes show you're ahead of the curve. Earthy, translucent acetate frames in olive amber and tortoiseshell add warmth and sophistication. Sunglasses aren't just for sun, they're for persona. Watches are going classic, but bigger and bolder. Think large faces, clean dials, and masculine straps. A tank watch or chronograph watch in gold or silver adds instant polish. Stack your watch with bangles or beads for a layered personal look. A great watch is both tool and jewelry. Seasonless, timeless, and quietly confident. Invest in one and wear it your way. It's the ultimate finishing touch. Belts in 2025 are all about statement buckles. Sculptural, artistic, and eye-catching. Use them to cinch blazers, define dresses, or elevate jeans. Scarves are back, especially the twilly. Wrap it on your bag, in your hair, or through your belt loops. Small accessory, big impact. Hair accessories are grown up. Oversized claw clips, padded headbands, and metal barrettes turn any hairstyle into a statement. These pieces are both practical and stylish. Problem solvers for shapeless dresses, boring outfits, or bad hair days. Don't underestimate the power of these finishing touches. They refine your silhouette, add color, and show you've thought about every detail. Accessories aren't just decoration. They're your style toolkit. Use them to solve problems and polish your look. Head to toe, details matter. Worried about over-accessorizing? Use the focal point method. Pick 1 or 2 stars. Maybe bold earrings or a sculptural bag, and let them shine. Mixing metals? Go for it. Cluster gold and silver together for a modern, intentional look. Don't scatter metals randomly. Group them for cohesion. Balance timeless staples with trendy treats. Invest in classics. Sprinkle in fun pieces. Context matters. Match your accessories to the occasion and vibe. Boho bracelets for the beach. Sleek pieces for the boardroom. Accessories should support your outfit's story, not fight it. There are no rigid rules, just thoughtful choices. Edit your look until it feels harmonious and authentic. The right accessories make your style feel effortless. Trust your instincts. Let your accessories work for you, not against you. You don't need a celebrity budget for a fabulous accessory collection, just a smart strategy. Invest in the Holy Trinity. A neutral everyday bag, a classic watch, and simple earrings. Quality over quantity. These are your workhorses. Play with trends through affordable finds from high street shops or thrift stores. Anchor your look with investment pieces, then add fun, inexpensive accents. Adapt accessories to the season. Raffia and silk in summer, suede and velvet in winter. A simple swap can refresh your whole look. Be a savvy shopper. Ask if a piece works with your wardrobe, reflects your style, and makes you feel great. Explore resale platforms for designer deals and to recycle what you no longer wear. Curate, don't just consume. Build a collection that's versatile, exciting, and truly yours. Forget the rules. They're just guidelines anyway, meant to be bent or broken. Fashion should be fun, an expression of your inner self, not a rigid set of do's and don'ts. Your style is personal, a unique fingerprint that sets you apart. And accessories? They are the vocabulary of your style, the words you use to tell your story to the world. They reveal your personality, your history, and your passions. Each piece can be a conversation starter, a little glimpse into what makes you. A ring from a trip, a tangible reminder of adventures had and memories made, a necklace from your grandmother, a precious heirloom carrying stories of generations past, wild earrings that make you smile, a burst of color and joy that brightens your day and everyone else's. These give your style soul, depth, and authenticity. They transform an outfit from simply clothes into a statement. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things, to mix and match, to see what works and what doesn't. Tie that scarf differently, in your hair, around your bag, as a belt. The possibilities are endless. Layer those necklaces, create a cascade of textures and lengths that reflects your mood and personality. Wear the bold cuff to the grocery store. Why not? Elevate the everyday, make even the most mundane tasks feel a little more special. Style is a muscle. Exercise it. The more you play with it, the stronger and more confident you become in your choices. Mistakes are lessons. The only faux pas is being invisible. It's better to be bold and daring than to fade into the background. Confidence is the best accessory. It shines brighter than any diamond. And the right pieces can spark it, igniting that inner fire and making you feel ready to conquer the world. When you wear what you love, you stand taller and feel bolder. It's amazing how a simple piece of jewelry can transform your entire demeanor. Don't save your best for special occasions. Every day is special. Life is too short to keep your treasures hidden away. Wear the sparkle, let your light shine, and spread a little joy wherever you go. Carry the beautiful bag. Don't let it gather dust in your closet. Let it be a constant reminder of your own worth and style. This guide is just a starting point. The real magic is making it your own. Infuse your personality, your experiences, and your dreams into every choice you make. What makes you feel powerful and authentic? Chase that feeling. Let it guide your choices and shape your style. Build a collection that tells your story, a curated selection of pieces that reflect your journey, your passions, and your unique perspective. Fashion is fleeting, constantly changing and evolving, but your style is forever, a timeless expression of who you are. Open that jewelry box and start telling your story. It's going to be brilliant. Let your accessories be your voice, your art, your way of shining in the world. Thanks for watching. If you love style tips, the latest trends, and all things beauty, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fabulous content. Join our community and stay ahead in the world of fashion and beauty. See you in the next video.